Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to reset and unpair Apple Watch SE 3 from your iPhone. So the fastest and easiest way to do so is by grabbing your iPhone, entering the app library, after which you're gonna have to search for Watch app and open it. Now tap all watches at the top of the screen, then tap the information icon next to the watch that you want to unpair, then scroll all the way down this menu and select Unpair Apple Watch, and confirm by clicking Unpair your Apple Watch. And then you're gonna have to confirm this action by entering your Apple ID password. And once you enter the password, tap Unpair on the screen, and then just wait until your Apple Watch is unpaired from your iPhone. It's gonna take a moment, so let's wait. And as you can see, the watch is already unpaired from the iPhone. In a moment it's gonna be reset, so from now on you just have to wait until this operation is finished. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.